What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 100KZ Beats here with 808 alignment, bringing you guys a new video, first video probably on this channel. I don't know if Insomnia beat me to it, but yeah, we're gonna be cooking up a little something. Today I'm gonna teach y'all how to get your 808s knocking. So let's jump right into this. I already have a melody pulled up here. I've been working on this for probably the past hour or two. I don't know, I've been stressed out deleting everything and reassembling and all that. So bear with me. Let's see what we could do with this, and let's make some hard knocking 808s. For this, I'll be using my 1KZ Bangers drum kit. It's out now for free, so go cop that. It will be in the description, link in the description, so go check that out, guys. Yeah, let's get into this. Oh, I have my volume up, my bad, y'all. So all right, there we go. I hope that was not echoing for y'all, but yeah, let's jump into this. Let's get some 808s in this knocking. I don't play here the melody for y'all to hear, so sorry about that. I don't play the melody here, and let's see what we can do. So what you want to do, I don't know what kind of loops, but if you guys do use, like, if you guys throw in the 808 and you have the used loop points on, take that off, cut itself as you already know, and boost the volume on level adjustments to, like, probably, let's say, I'll say 150. And yeah, later on I'm gonna show y'all a little trick you can do in the mixer to make it sound not, so it won't over peak, it won't get to the peaking level and stuff like that. So let's jump into this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy over this. Not there, but here. Let's see what that sounds like. I'm gonna start adding drums. Usually that's how I go about adding my own drums. 50%. What you want to do is come into the effects panel, and on the 808s, put on a soft clipper. Bring the post down. That way, when when you drop everything else, you mix everything into place, you will still get that hard knocking 808. See, it's not peaking over. You don't get that over peaking when you put on that. When you put on the soft clipper, you don't get the over peaking and don't peak over like the range. And that's it, boys. That's really how you get hard knocking 808s. Once you mix everything into place after that, I mean, you shouldn't have a problem at all. It should all come together smooth and your 808 should be knocking. I'm gonna lay this out and probably wrap this video up, boys. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, comment what y'all want to see us do next. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. We just started this channel, so what we are aiming for here is to grow in the community, the producer community, and help each other out, bring tutorials, vlogs, all those beat videos, everything. And we'll be dropping some dope sound kits and drum kits very soon for y'all, so look out for that. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a video, so you do not miss the chance to win any of our giveaways and any of our sound kits, because we will be giving away some for free. We'll be giving away beats, and we'll have a couple different beat challenges and stuff like that, so y'all look out for that. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like the video if you enjoyed it, and thanks y'all. So don't forget to check out the drum kit down in the description. I'll leave that down there. So yeah, until next time, y'all keep producing.